Okay, here goes your garage. This is what it look like. It's extremely big. There is a dip, so you can't pull that vet up on this one. But it's extremely big and wide.
You can engage the lock.
All right. So here we go. This is the Jameson. This is the A2. It already has the wine rack. Oh, it has the same split refrigerator and freezer made by Whirlpool with the light on there. You do have your no coil stove, and then you got the microwave there. Here goes the living room. They do have the outlets for you to put cords in there and also for you to plug in the TVs. This bathroom is gorgeous. It's humongous. Here goes all your lights, pretty lights right there. Double sink, the toilet. The tub is extremely large with that right there. Then we also have the stackable washer and dryer made by Whirlpool. And the light fixtures are here. And as you can see, these cabinets there with those Amazon handles. And the sink is the, I think, 3-gallon sink. And there's also a spray there. And here goes the patio. So the patio does not feature storage, but you will be next to the train, so it'll probably be a little bit noisy. Oh, and there's a fan right there. And as you can see, the blades, different settings. I believe that's everything off this closet right here. And then you have the linen closet there. And the thermostat here. And, oh, that's the heater. It's no closet. And I believe this closet. Oh yeah, I already did that one. All right, let's go.